Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and welcome to my channel Academic Learning with Shmaila. So without wasting our time, let's move to our topic. So today our topic is materials. What are materials and its property? So materials are the things that we use in our everyday life. Like we use wood, metal, plastic, glass and fabric to make most everyday objects. Different materials have different properties, like materials can be natural or man-made. Here are few facts about some material. So natural materials are things that are made by the Almighty Allah, and the man-made materials are that we made by a man. So let's move. Okay, the first material is wood. Wood is natural material. It comes from tree. A few things made from wood are furniture, pots, instruments, paper. And here are its properties. Wood is used as it can be curved it to any shapes, is strong and has a very nice appearance. Okay, next our material is fabric. Actually, fabric comes from plants and animals. A few things made from fabric are curtains, cloths, towels. Fabric is used as it is very light, warm, soft and quite easy to produce and sew. So here fabric properties are light, warm, soft. The next material is wool. Wool is a natural material that comes from animals like sheep. Its properties are it is very soft, flexible and smooth. The next material is plastic. Plastics are man-made, mostly from oil. You can say plastic are made from the oil. A few things made from plastics are balls, bottles, carrier bag. And plastic is used at it can be made to be flexible, hard, rough, smooth. It is also very cheap to produce and easily washable. So here plastic properties are flexible, hard, rough and smooth. Here are some examples of plastic. So let's move to next material. It is metal. Actually, metals are made from rock. The rocks are dug up and taken to a factory where they are heated and processed into metals. A few things made from metals are jewelry, cutlery, cars. Metal is used as it is strong, hard, smooth and easily washable. So metal properties are strong, hard, smooth. This is the picture of metal. Okay, next our material is glass. Actually, glass is made from very fine sand. It is heated until it melts. A few things made from glass are bottles, light bulbs, glasses. Glass is used as it is strong, hard, smooth, easily washable and transparent. So you can say the glass properties are strong, hard, smooth and transparent. So here is a picture of glass. I hope friends you liked my video. If you liked my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So Allah Hafiz.